Hello everyone, and in this video I'm going to show you how to properly use the Tor browser to achieve maximum anonymity. Let's start. Now first of all, you want to encrypt your hard drive. Now this is not a necessary step, but it's highly recommended, as if someone gets physical access to your system, if your hard drive is encrypted, they can't read your files. The second thing is that make sure that you update your computer so that the Tor browser, the latest version of the Tor browser, is compatible with your computer, and so that it makes it harder for hackers to hack your computer. And next, make sure not to use Windows. Now there's kind of like a spectrum, like Windows being the most unsafe and the least private, and Unix and Tails being the most private and secure. Now I won't cover Unix and Tails in this specific video. I will make a separate video about that. This video should work on Tails or Unix. Okay, so you want to head to the torproject.org and you want to download the Tor browser. This is the only way that you should download the Tor browser. Don't get it through other sources, as it could be modified or it could be an illegitimate version of the Tor browser. So only get it from the official Tor project website, which is torproject.org, and then download it for your specific operating system. Okay, great. So after you downloaded and installed the Tor browser, well, you don't exactly install it, it's more of a portable installation, especially for Linux. But after you've got this window up, let me mention some rules you should keep while using the Tor browser. First of all, never use your real identity, as if you use your real identity, it completely eliminates the point of you using Tor. Only use pseudonyms. Secondly, never torrent over the Tor network, use a VPN for torrenting. Thirdly, never maximize your Tor browser windows, as an attacker can get your screen resolution and can guess what operating system you're using by the exact screen resolution. For example, right now, an attacker could guess that I'm using Zorin OS because of the bar at the bottom. And the only settings you should change are the security level. Now, I would recommend you set it to safer, as generally safer doesn't break most websites and it's safer than standard. But if you can, then definitely set it to safe, as it will block all scripts, ensuring that you can't be tracked. But I'm going to set it for safer. So what about using a VPN with Tor? Well, I would say that's a bad idea, generally, as if Tor is blocked, there's something called Tor bridges. Bridges can help you bypass censorship and the blockage of Tor. The only place you should use a VPN is if Tor bridges doesn't work well right now, and if you're using a trusted VPN that you bought anonymously. That's the only time that you should use a VPN with Tor, and even then you should know what you're doing. And also, make sure that Tor browser is always up to date, because the Tor browser frequently has exploits. So that's it for the Tor browser tutorial. If you liked this video, then consider subscribing. I shall see you next time, and have a great day.